AGTC technical analysis, fundamental statistics, partial due diligence, along with reviewing my current price targets and current positions, along with my reasoning why this stock will 5x bear case by the end of the year. Starting off with the price action, we do see this beautiful bull flag that I took, as you can see, full advantage of 511 shares. I'm already up, almost 15%, I believe. Um, so obviously, I do wish I did get in down here at this flash crash moment. I did not predict this. I think few did, but nonetheless, I will take the profit. 15%, there's nothing to complain about. Okay, but let's actually talk about why this happened, and let's also talk about some potential entry points if you are looking to get in, and where to take profits potentially if you are looking to swing this in and out. But for me, this is a long-term hold. I do like, sometimes I say long-term holds are the best usually. I've said that in the comments, but sometimes swinging based on clear and obvious resistance levels that we can map out pretty clearly to have an extremely high probability of happening. Sometimes those are very smart moves that you can do, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, to your own due diligence. But let's drop a Fibonacci real quick. Okay, this is what we're looking at as far as the Fibonacci levels. Based on this, these are going to be your entry points. Okay, 558. That's going to be your first level to watch. We are holding that up pretty nicely here in the after hours. Okay, but if you ask me, I think we actually have higher to go. Okay, let's actually delete this real quick. This is why I think we are actually going to continue to climb going into the open. I think there's a strong chance we will continue to climb. Okay, this is why. Okay, this is how you draw up a price target for a bull fund. That you just measure vertically the length of the beginning of the flag part. Okay, here's the pole. Here's the flag pole. Here's the flag. That's basically a bull flag or a bull pennant. Okay, according to this is one way to measure the price. Right, there are several other ways, and of course I could have measured it on this trend line. I decided to go down here. Here is why. This price target exactly aligns with this level of resistance that has been validated one, two, three ish, four, 5 times. That is why I think there's a high chance that this price target actually will come to fruition. But given that we are consolidating here in after hours, I'm not, that's not a strong conviction prediction of mine. My strong conviction ones, you guys know. I mean, I've been right on buy on Nano all week. Those are my strong conviction ones. My end of year price targets, end of month price targets. Those are my strong conviction ones. This one, I think there is a higher chance that we will hit this price target before bouncing off this support. That's my prediction here. Okay, but if you are looking for an entry point, this is what I will say. Definitely wait for it. Definitely, if it dips, I would say scoop up shares. We're going to talk about later what the crazy reasons why this stock, I think it's going to literally 5x, and I think that's a safe price target. Okay, and actually, I'm as surprised. I was as surprised as you will be when you hear this. But analysts, Wall Street analysts, and they actually agree with me on this one. Although I do disagree with them most of the time. This time we see eye to eye. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI on the daily real quick to get a sense of where we're trading. Okay, 60 on the RSI, guys. It's not even overbought. Most of the stocks we take a look at this channel, we're hitting out of the park every day. So we're typically looking at overbought levels, but we are at 60.54. That's on the overbought side. Okay, 50 is neutral. Anything over 70 is going to be overbought. Anything under 30 is oversold. But that's how the charts are looking. Let's look at some fundamental statistics real fast. Usually we start with the short interest if you're not new around here, but this time we're going to be starting with the insider ownership because look at this. I mean, come on, how can we not? 30%? Are you kidding me? That's insane. You guys know how I like the insider ownership and short interest. These are two of my go-to stats when it comes to fundamentals. Okay, this is insanely bullish to me. Okay, and this is according to Fentel.io. Of course, take it with a grain of salt. They are a reliable source, I believe, but short interest 18%. That's fairly average, fairly standard. I would say that's what we see on a lot of stocks that we cover on the channel. Okay, this is due diligence. Well, this is partial due diligence. It's Reddit. Take it for what it is. You know how it is. But this is some really good information. If you are considering getting into the stock, please read this. I think this will prevent you from selling out of fear if it dips. Okay, and the key thing that I just want to go over really quickly is that this is basically a very highly credentialed doctor. She upgraded her price target recently from $26 to $30. And by the way, this is extremely recent information, 16 hours ago. Okay, so I will link this in the description for your viewing pleasure. You're welcome. Okay, let's just take a quick look at what they actually do, because I know you don't even, at this point in the video, you don't even know, if you hadn't heard of this company before, what they do. Okay, this is essentially the sentence that you're going to want to see. They try to develop genetic therapies for patients suffering from rare diseases. Okay, this is There's a lot of companies that do this. It's a good market. There's going to be extreme demand. Ark from Kathy Wood thinks this is going to be one of the biggest sectors in the next 5 years. The genomic sector or space. Current positions. Okay, these are my price targets. Okay, I told you at 5x. Let's see the current price. We're at 567. So this is when I actually put the price target on there, right when I had it. But yeah, this is a 5x from $5, which I was in under $5. Um, yeah, this is my bull case. I recommend doing the due diligence. Also, there's heavy institutional buying, many ETFs, many mutual funds. They all believe in this company. They've got strong fundamentals. Their balance sheet is not bad. Um, that's what we're looking at. All right. These other price targets, I've hit almost all of them. Let's see, what have we not hit? We've not hit Nano Dimension so far, I don't think. Also, guys, check this check this out. Microvision 51% after hours. Yeah, Nano Dimension's at 15.95. Yeah, our March 4th price target is $18. Obviously, it's the 10th right now of February, so we've got plenty of time. We've hit these with insane accuracy and speed. And by the way, guys, when I give you a price target, this is not financial advice. Don't take my advice blindly, but when I give you a price target, you can feel free to take profits basically when it hits the price target. If they are long-term holds, which all of these plays, you can tell, BioLace, I'm still deciding if I'm going to hold it long term. There's a chance I might. Okay, but these you can take profits here, but these are the end goal. Okay, like you can take profits, enter lower. That's actually currently what I'm doing with Mara and Materials Corporation after they hit my price targets. Okay, but I will be re-entering them and riding them out to these insane profit margins here. Okay, this one is literally a 5x. Definitely consider this one. I think it's got great things ahead. Relevant information in regards to the title has now finished. Feel free to click off. I'm the only YouTuber, literally, I think, ever that will tell you that before I start asking for irrelevant stuff to the title. Okay, extra useful information never related to the title. Plus helpful tips. Okay, the future. I've already mentioned this in the last Bio video. Just briefly say it again here for the other people that haven't seen that. Okay, I'm never going to ask for likes or subs during the video. If I ever do, it will be after I have made this clear. I think that's as transparent and fair that a person can be on YouTube. I don't know of any other YouTuber that does this, but I hope you guys think so too. I'm never going to put ads on the videos. If you ever do see an ad on my video, it is because YouTube is greedy and they don't let people go like 30 minutes to an hour without getting an ad. If you need proof of this, just watch like some video that has no little yellow ad stop thingies in there, and then literally like if it's a long video like 30 minutes in or something, you will get an ad just randomly just because YouTube just likes to screw you like that. Okay, but also, yeah, so the point is I will never put ads on this. I'll never monetize or put ads on this channel. No videos ever. Follow stocks you own on Reddit and Twitter. Extremely helpful in my opinion. Free stocks available in the description. Pre-market and after hours trading. I say it every time, guys, and I mean it. I seriously mean it. This is so crucial. Please do this. It helps yourself. You're helping yourself out. Tell me what stocks you need to cover next. There's a high chance I will cover them unless I just start getting 70,000. Right? I mean, open a Roth IRA. Okay, did not mean to do that. Open a Roth IRA. This is self-explanatory this time. At this point, guys, please um, comment any questions. I will answer them. And Robinhood, you check out the Bio Nano video if you want to see the Robinhood action. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one.